Hey everybody, it's Ashley Ingram, and today I'm going to show you how I got this beautiful royal blue eyeshadow look using the lovely Frida brush set by Spectrum Collections. You guys, this brush set comes in a beautiful royal blue packaging with Frida Kahlo's signature image on it, and I live. It also comes with 7 full-size brushes, so you receive every brush you need to complete a makeup look. This first brush is the B01 foundation brush, and this brush is perfect for liquid foundation or powder. Second brush is the C03 tulip powder brush, and it's obviously perfect for powdering the face. This third brush is the A05 angled cheek brush, and this brush is perfect for blush or even contour. Next we have the A24 brow styler brush, and I loved using this brush on my brows. I have the A15 lip brush. You can use this for applying to your lips. And lastly, we have the B06 tall tapered blender and the A08 medium fluffer shader. And to start this tutorial, I'm going to be taking the B01 brush, and I'm just going to be stippling foundation all over my forehead and eyes just for even base for my eye look. I'm going to be taking the spoolie side of the A24 brush and just brushing through my brows. And the other side, I'm going to just draw in hair-like strokes. I use pencils most of the time when I do my brows, but I find that this brush is actually really nice in terms of precision. You can really get in there and create hair-like strokes, which gives your brows a more natural finish. And I'm just going to finish that off by brushing through them to make them a little more natural. Next, using the A15 brush, I'm going to be actually just defining underneath my brows using some concealer to kind of give it a nice highlight and create a base for the shadows that I'm going to put on top. I'm also now going to use the A08 to further lay down my base and then blending it out. Next, I am going to be using the A08 and stamping that color into my crease, going up towards my brows a little bit, and then kind of creating my winged out shape that I'm going to be having for my eyes. Using the B06 brush to blend that out. I'm taking the A08 brush and taking this blue color and just placing this into my crease, and I'm stamping it in there just for good color payoff and creating the shape that we created before and winging this out towards the tip of the brow. Then taking the B06 and just fluffy and blending that out. I never want to catch myself slipping on that blending tip, and this brush definitely had my back. I'm now going to be taking this even deeper blue shade, and I'm going to be pressing this into my crease with the A15 brush. I really love this brush because it's so versatile. This is actually a lip brush, but you can use it for precision things like on your eye, as you see I'm doing now. And I'm just kind of creating that shape into my crease just so that it's really defined, so that when I blend it out, there's still definition without it being blended out too much. I'm going to be taking this lighter blue shade, and I'm going to be using that to blend that crease out where we stamped the color before. This is the A06 brush, and I'm just going to use that to soften that definition a little bit, then actually adding a little more of the definition and kind of going back and forth between the two to create that perfect blend. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using the A15 brush, and I'm not going to lie, this really slapped. Like, look at how precise it is. Shook! This color is called Vivid Violet, and it's by P. Louise. And just taking the B06 and using that to blend the outer corners. Then taking this blue shade and using the A15 to stamp that in without disrupting my crease. And just for a little bit of sparkle, I'm going to be using the A15 and taking this color into the inner corners of my eyes. After applying some eyeliner in the waterline of my eye, I'm then going to blend that out just to smoke it out a little bit, and then taking this blue color from the eyeshadow palette and also blending that out for a smoky underlash. I am using the A08 for this. Here I'm just going to be using some liquid liner to add some inner corner wings to my eyes. and then just tying the look together by applying some mascara to my bottom lashes. Because I did lose a bit of precision on my brows, I'm going to be taking the A24 brush and just reapplying that product so that my eyebrows are more defined and finished. And this completes the look, you guys. Thank you so much to Spectrum Collections for allowing me to be a part of this amazing launch and use these beautiful brushes. And until next time, you guys, bye.